Animosity. Zabari, link up. Animosity. You just hear me say, I'm going to play my martial arts for the last round. And you run, you play martial arts. When my martial arts start kicking you, you're going to realize the amount of cartel that you're not fucking have. You're going to realize this sound, how much cartel that fucking you. But let me tell you about Stonewall. When I play my first song, I want the time to start. The time to start? All right. Make me show them about Stonewall.
Out of the JR crew, man. St. Gary Sutherland, big up yourself. Ringarang, Johnny Thermos, Merriman, Irvin. Along with Carl Stevie P.
What man singers them
no.
What man Dennis?
Soundboard. Hey. A sound is gonna die, boy. Die to her night, boy. Shouldn't taste to one sound. Stand your home. Link my sound is gonna die, boy. Die to her night, boy. Shouldn't taste to one sound. Stand your home. You know, me say no sound no rough, no tough, no better than Stonewall sound. No sound no rough, no tough, no better than.
Take it down low. Animosity. You born in the 80s. Me born 1971. I'm gonna look better than two of the fucking young boy. I'm gonna look better than one. You see this boy, yeah? Let me tell you about Whitney.
Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. To test on while you want for fit, you want for fit. Test on while you want for fit. Fit. Come test on while you want for smart. Smart. To test on while you want for smart. Smart. In the morning as I rise, put on my trucks so I can exercise. Stonewall music make me fit. Fit.
Yeah. Me play certain song. I'ma make you feel if you're bad. Animosity, this called belly. This is when you're good on in a belly now. Squeeze some again.
You are playing with a serious sound, yes.
Yo!
Stonewall sound will show you down. Stonewall is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous, yes. It's only in the Father, Admiral put his trust. Stonewall is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous, Lord. All over the world, every sound is in a heated rush.
Animosity. You start off good. I realize you had every song, but you reach to the part now where the money you drop out. The last clash me here say borrow some money from Supercat, for the bank, for buy Supercat. I all know you can't put on the roof for your fucking house. You are so fucking stupid.
Belly, so Lance. Tell us someone give him distance. John, and one round. I got for a messenger. Hold on. Let's hold my pocket is empty.
Yo!
No debts to bad, Lord. God knows he's hungry. Don't ask me why. Stonewall sound is a plague, rolling in the law.
Take it down low. Take it down low. Father Tech, big up yourself. Big up all the bad soul of the place. Big up Asian King Pan win last night. He tried to be Soul Supreme, but I'm gonna show him the fucking levels. Soul Supreme bust this rhythm, but then I have the original sing up on the rhythm. Squeeze my rhythm.
I Stonewall out Sam. This is sound of a ram.
We're ready to fucking them. Yo!
You no soup, you no star, yeah. You're pushing your luck too far.
Pushing your luck. Pushing your luck.
And if you don't stop from pushing it, believe me, you're gonna have a tribal war.
Hold on. You don't know this rhythm, right? Back in the days, it was Gregory Isaac and the next singing fucking artist. The man can't sing no fuck. Him here singing melody. Give him a song.
Whoa, yeah, hey, yeah. Stonewall International. All of them. Huh. Every time Stonewall I play, every day, it's just a killing day, but you can't stop your sound from dying with tears from your eyes falling down on your face, on white and rolling down your chin.
Now me going for the little simple artists though. Back in the days it used to be Murder She Wrote and all the bad song. And there was an artist, him named Pliers. You remember that one day? You remember one? I remember Pinchers too. You remember him? Well, let me tell you what Stonewall.
And we Stoner International come. When you think them fine, we Stoner so make one run up and down. When you think them send the Stoner, come and come here. When you think them send the Stoner, come and come here. Think I send the Stoner sound and come. To boom them, boom them. Stoner International thinking pan sound on the ground. Like a pepper, you can make a sound of fire.
Back in the days when the shanty town, it used to be Pliers and Pinchers. And who are all the good singing artists? Sanchez. All who said Sanchez.
Oh no, Stonewall, murder rock in a dancehall. Stonewall, come to kill. And we have the habit, the dumplings, and the have no will. Sing down, I'm Mrs. Stonewall, come to kill. And we have the habit, the dumplings, and the have no will. Sing down.
Take it down low again. Me hear everybody play Sanchez. I'm gonna hear nobody play this one. You can see everybody voice this one for tomorrow. Give me a next one.
Sure. How well? Yeah, yes. Listen. So hey, what do you play? Punkhead sound. Stonewall gonna kill you today. Day or night, punk just put up a fight. Stonewall gonna kick you left. You know we gonna box you right. Show you down.
I remember Stonewall and Exorcist from back in the days. I remember Stonewall and Exorcist. Put your hands up. Back in the days when Stonewall started, we never have no money. And this song I'm gonna play was one of the biggest songs in my fucking box. Luciana!
Let's get down. Keep them a see the book casting. Now that's all boy keep the fucking. Come in a dance all like one like Kimar. Stonewall crew so them a proud. Keep them a see the book casting. Now that's all boy keep the.
Hold on. You see what I'm bad mind? They win 2 rounds. I take my fucking beating, I'ma relax. Then lose around like a while. Oh, you fucking bad mind. The people are a batty man. And what am I gonna do when they hear the fucking dance done?
Them dead like that. None of them not bad like the wild lad. A Stonewall will never fall. What them a go do when them get them beating? Stonewall caught them in them conspiring. What them a go do when them get them beating? Stonewall kill the wolf in the sheep cloud. What them a go do when them get them beating? Stonewall kill them in them conspiring. What them a go do when them get them beating?
Lock it up. Now, me tell you how some of them want to be batty man. The man come out in a dress and say, hear the baddest thing. Me know the Jewish them run the place. Are the Jewish them run the place, right? Are them are the most fucking money, right? Alright, me a Jewish tonight. Start me with him.
Yeah, man, say Stonewall sound, you don't know me no bag of blood clot talking. No, me love kill people and laugh, you see it. I'm say Stonewall, I'm say Antigua, I don't know the badness God. Jamaica, same way. New York.
You ready for war now? Me have a fucking war shot now.
Gunshot.
Me ready for fucking war.
Inna your suck pussy heart. Hey, some son boy a fag. Them a fag. About his selector no one know God. Some son boy a fag. Them a fag. Well bleach.
Hey, yo, TikTok. Yo, this was a big vlog. I told them. Action. Yo, Stonewall. Stonewall shoot them inna the mouth, bust them head with a canine. Them a go die. TikTok gun tall up inna the sky. Some boys say them a bad man and I saw the bad man ship and the ship capsize out of the harbor. So me I tell them say right now some boys say them a top boat and the boat sink round the road. Them no got no guns like mine, no KG9. Stonewall, bust them bigger than Brook spine. Me say one at a time, bad wife arm line. Then be carbine, you not dead blind.
Can't come back, you know. Me say watch a Stonewall, you talk. Aye, violence and the whole family, you know, them know cartel representing the all stuff.
Stonewall, from a boy fi get kick in a face, I just kick in a face. Me gun done in a me and you coulda pass like a real tennis.
I laugh, cause them violate Stonewall. Them know I run up in a burner. Bumbo will get turned off.
Stonewall till a sound boy said emergency sound a dead round here. Violate Stonewall, you head a bust like beer.
All a tryna one burner. The boy them a fuck straight body. Hey, Stonewall, Antigua, let me tell you.
When me rise up my berry, rise up your berry. Shot them from primary, go straight to tertiary. Tick tock, the girl cocky, she real and ball poppy. Say we are the Jackie we ride gal. No we Chris Hammond.
Drink and drive, we smoke weed and fly. See me sir, they know what the deal is. I told them we real it. Yeah. Stonewall smoke weed till I'm called with the most high. Me love the weed till me gal want the force high. The mouth a gun me have them swim me inna the force high. Me send contracts to email and regular post high. Feel the ticking off the Glock.
Yo, Cliff, smell off. Yeah, I am in a red shot bad boy man from 110 Royal Flag and brick wall. Stonewall sound, get a 12 gauge when name Chester. Bust a boy Chester. Nuzzle a the gun alone, down like a dresser. This Cliff your dead sir, head inna your head sir.
Stand up. Me have money in my pocket. All $100. All $100. My money good. But one thing I know. No man gonna touch me. It's like all the two brothers gonna touch one another. Me know no man in your body, man. Me want to see everyone from you and a body, man. I want to see how them go, sir.
Yeah, some man can't put them man up now here. They have to put them man in them pocket. Cause them a body man. Me I tell you the truth.
Yeah, them
yeah, some boy come a dance, them can't pay come in unless the man pay for them. And
yeah,
some boy can't come a dance unless the man tell them to come.
I show that.
You can't understand them sound boy over there. A Stonewall is really lick you with a blood.
Watch all the one there over there, so I pinch all the one there. What this father?
Party alliance. Silence and violence and jigger. Them man a bad man with me. Zaga zaga chow chow. Yeah, just something. So you never fuck, but if I your band, so your band, so your band. Me want to hear some gunshot in the ear now. Here now, here now. You never suck pussy for your band, for your band, for your band. Me want to hear some gunshot in the ear now. Here now, here now. Well, it's a one of them. Hand up the cabati man fi die boss.
You don't know God, me like that shoot boy, you know. Stonewall! Man go beat it on till the bang bang, till the bang bang, till the bang bang. Beat it on till the bang bang, till the bang bang, till the bang bang. Beat it on till the bang bang, till the bang bang, till the bang bang. Pass it on till the bang bang. Stonewall! Shoot them right now. The gun was Stonewall, but round the man and gun. Tell some don't move from your so back up with no one gun. Half in one or two gun, half in one or three gun. This a Stonewall gun, we could never be. Stonewall I go ras it up when you can't early bird I go we down. Stonewall tell you from we little bit and we young. See no sound.
All the man that know say never march with Batman. If Batman have a march, we are going to burn the Batman march. But you don't say no march with the Batman. Go to Batman.
Jared, Bosshead, Joe, Pantan Villa, Stonewall. Hey people, right put it on display. With a responsive public non-classic. So no must go down as the Stonewall say. Hey wicked man just go rise the earth. Hey people, rise on boy you get slay. Come we come to murder them night and day. We don't care where them come from.
Take it down low. Let's see. You know how much fucking song to me. And I'll go tune for tune. And you know I win fucking one. Can I see the sound here? A bad man sound. I do it now.
Wicked man, yo warlord. Yo silence violence. I'm some bomb buckler, boy. I'm some bomb buckler sound. Stonewall say, we say, bad man solo. R.I.P. to a real killer. R.I.P. to a real killer. R.I.P. to a real killer. Real killer, real killer.
Check it down low. You saw the dance. The last dance we win. It was in La Rose. And La Rose was much bigger than this. So now they think, well, maybe they're going to come into the same place. You see this place? I'm going to tell you about this place.
Whole Antigua, whole Caribbean. Yo, Stonewall International, tell them say,
Pussy them girl catch in a the rat shop. See up pull up mat block, jump out glock clap. And a 9x40 can fat shot, shoot it in a face and we see the head top pop. Man a get broke up when the rifle a chop chop. Chevy with the boom finger play go so tat tat. Smaddy head a bust like a snack pack. Berry pa me belly and a post pan a hot block. Anywhere you there you can hide me can track that. Send a pretty girl send her pussy pan the Snapchat. You a tell her say you want to put her pan your cock. Me go there.
Me don't win more now. All who say Stonewall and win 2 and a year. Animosity. You have to play tune for tune. You now win not tune for tune. You now win not tune for tune. Animosity. You realize in them only call after you pay Dapper for lose the dance. Because everybody know you pay Dapper for lose the dance. You know that, right? Different than that. The most you ever hear about Animosity, that they get locked off by every fucking body. Give me a song.
Father violence and I miss it, Sirlands. And I miss the father lion. We no wonder, start it, as usual. Jump on sound over there, sir.
Say nobody's calling your name.
Sound boy, watching all the dumb Stonewall play.
Take it down low again. Take it down low again. All the people that know say Merciless a bad DJ. In pass and gone. Give me a gun finger so for Merciless. Give me a gun finger for Merciless.
Or a trace like them name Cassie. Tie them up and light them and gassy. This is Stonewall. Question, hey boy. You ever be like a shot out of 1 cent? You ever par with gas and brown the president? You ever make boy run left them resident? You ever take a walk through Grace Farm? You turn a coat a sound boy teeth with SLR? Yes! You ever buy weed a Christian street yet? Dumb sound boy make Janko have feast yet? You ever make sound boy fret and think it?
Hold on. This one little scotchy. But not because it's scotchy. This one I want a Stonewall blood clot anthem for tonight.
All the gunmen never put respect to them. Pay them an 10. Stonewall come again. When they get on the place we come we give them problem. Watch out. Stonewall ball respect to all the gunman them. Stonewall alone keep gunman friend. Fire burn for all the informer them. Informer alone keep no police friend. Respect to all the gunman them. Stonewall alone keep gunman friend. Fire burn for all the idiots on them. Informer alone keep informer.
Animosity. You don't have no more song? You don't have no more song? Give me a 450.
Oh, you for style Stonewall, hey boy, your face in a fuck. Hey, suck pussy son, yeah. Pay with your luck after we invest some money, yeah. Buy bag a gun. Yeah, Stonewall International. No sound, can't style over cover. While I reach we get a brand new Glock with extension clip a wish. Sound one this hour. Run them lip and if a sound must dead, they don't know try climb. I'ma get a brand new tool.
Check it down low. I remember when Bounty Club bus. Every fucking vehicle passed my Market Street or Carnalia, Antigua. And this is the song I used to hear.
Motherfucking nigga, shit. I don't even go, man. Like, Joe, right?
Hey you,
Sorry.
I'm the test Stonewall International. You should die.
The man called Shrevi.
No time.
For the lion.
Stonewall International riding west.
Hey.
OBNTEU, that was the number. Stonewall International, see them sound club to ride. Wanted to challenge the sound that is playing. We got on there to come against the Stonewall side. Stonewall sound, head up a champion for kill a jump. Pan dub expose and we gunning away. And fed up a ending on the breeze. It a Stonewall sound enter. Soon as we arrive, ready for murder everything over the other side. No mercy, no pity, selling violence ever carry. The international, I fling them in a cemetery. Stonewall sound, you pull it in and make it green and neck. Explode, should be done, they might jump on. No, 45 you use an account, my road. Jump on the screen like a
Stonewall, long time me riding on with ranking ways. Boy, want fit testing on me bulletproof vest.
UNIT wide after unity. Stonewall now friend not a bad.
I think this one for King Addies.
T-wide.
I remember this juggling for King
Pussy you
Addies.
dead in the community. Shatter go bust and skull go boy. Big Mac 11 and go dead done. Wall eat more. Stonewall I kick them from the wall. All the floor pussy dead. Shatter go bust and skull go boy. Big Mac 11 and the 404. Man I go dead done. Wall eat more. Stonewall I play. Billy man I say. The second
Hold on. We have what the time gone? We have 2 more minutes. What the time gone? We have 2 more minutes. And make a play some song, cause we have plenty of song. Alright, don't watch the man. Yeah, man. I heard they play somebody. Everybody knows that isn't a fucking bone crusher. Everybody know that. So here what this song I'm going to play now. This song is from just the other day. Play the song.
Genius. Stonewall, Father Lion. them chasing like the leaves. When Stonewall rifle squeeze, boy they pan the freezer freeze. Bossy special to the breeze, youngster no take no leave. Rifle shot a bite them like bees. With them one bag of lippin' like a lipstick bar.
Me hear them play some but no boy. Come at me run from my place. New York are my place. Ranks are my place. So squeeze my fucking cartel.
Antigua your place are your place. Gun in a hand, me no carry it in a waist. No long shot, y'all alone trace. Me force bullet in a boy.
Why let them a ball, boy? When them see them son, me a down for the fucking ground. Them a ball and a tumble down. Them a dub, but them a one man. Them anytime sleep wanna play.
A Stonewall a play.
Well, them a go with them lame don't play.
Murder sound anytime, any day.
Hold on. Make it stop. Let's say 11 more seconds. So I'm gonna play one of the biggest fucking artists, R&B artists, that is into Sound Clash.
Men like hype, tic-tac, silent violence, whoa, 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 whoa. Father Lion, Smirnoff, Jose. Let's start with the killing. Every time we test the sound, man, they turn around and die. They ask themselves, why, oh, why? Lord, if you test this Stonewall sound, make the funeral arrangements, 'cause you'll be buried before November. Your mother like now, someone please call 911. Tell them Stonewall sound.
Time. We're going to more than enough time. All who say the Clash nice say boom, 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 boom. But now lie. The vibes, yo, up high balcony, you know, big up on yourself. Cause the festive up there, so. Timer. Set up the time, saying. You don't know. January the 18th. No long talking. You the thing. Silver Crown, Civic Sun, King Ramsey, Culture Palace. Also do remember Tri-State Warfare, New Jersey, New York and Connecticut. Snow White, Shockwave, Ready Rock, November 16. You see, that at Brooklyn, New York. Dubs Giving, you understand me? Friday, November the 8th, Mona's Lounge, Wally Passon, you know the thing go. You see me? Oddy, you're there from night, you know, my lad. You're my co-host, you know. But you go like saying on a voice, like you want the people them cost me alone. But you don't know. You see me? Big up all our patrons them in our house. Support the bar. Don't be a scumminator as me say all night. Just support the bar. The man spend whole heap of money. If you have the two sound them in here, so entertain, you know. So no support the bar. A Sean Piper bar, so no support it. You see what I say? That is it. Zane, one more flyer. Wargong, King Fargo versus Rough Cut. November the 14th. You understand me? Also do remember, Back Royal. This is Utica Avenue. You don't know. Sound Clash. Big and serious. November the 9th. That is Saturday, November the 9th. Holy Passon. Animosity, ready? All right, sir. Timer. Yo, what the time? Warm to the time. Set up the time. You have it? You're good. All right, set the time. 20 minutes. Phone the time start when you not playing a song. Bumbo clap. People that dance here is a bad dance. Big up Sean Piper. All who get your money's worth, say money's worth. Yeah. And the last round was kind of decent. Although it's a little up and down. But we are right. This is the 4th round. Timer, what them say, 20 minutes? We good. You see another party in the morning in a New York? And them song you fi play.
Skidabang.
And them song you fi play.
Yeah.
All right on the massive.
Me say the massive they ma run come to hear Animosity play.
Level.
Oh yeah, to hear.
All
who say Animosity are going well for the night, bust a loud blank over your head.
Oh, 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 oh. King Animosity, yeah. Oh.
Yeah, you water.
Now some guy run up them mouth. Say them are the best. But when it comes to the test, we know them are one best. Oh, oh. Take a seat and then them take a rest. We leave it to the people such as
me a fight for this bumbleclad.
That's a run it scene.
You are talking about original song for original rhythm. Turn me up.
Got to be a first class witness. Oh, hey. In all the dark and oh, hey. Got to be a first class witness.
Whitney, I look on me and him say, Animosity, a tune for tune, you know. Me have to play my round first, so you ask the people who are with it and me no play yet.
Run it scene.
Whoa, 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 hey.
You think I want anything try?
Hey. I would like to see your face on guy. I when you kick Animosity, dust you out. Shut your mouth. You not scar out. Back out.
Indeed. I double job. Bust them head.
You want to hear some good singing music in the morning?
Righteousness sake. Good God. Hey. The rise I up this morning. Thanks to see the rising sun. And even when it's dawning, Animosity kill another sound boy for fun.
Entertainment and speech tonight.
The time is so perilous. Some clash gets so dangerous. In this time we see no sound boys to true us. Oh no, but it's so easy.
It's them a joint company. You think a little bit of sound keep Animosity kill and them from the happy. Me I kill some before them pump us and happy man. Murder. I kill Animosity, you want to reward them something.
Round that
whoa, on the corner. Be a taba no for the man and no passing out, so the man up on the corner. No, I might know what you put, no passing out, so the man up on the corner. Me a get a youth, sit down on a one fight, just some light on the corner. That me live a guy violate, then him put in a see another night on the corner. No boy could ever try my less than 13-year old on the corner. No guy could ever think for try.
Small axe fall. Small axe fall.
Up. Equal rights and justice for all boys and never stop. Aye. One to them boy, you know say I King Animosity. Keep it burning, yo. Tell them it's cool. Yo, what are they doing? Yo, stepping on them face. What are they? Me said that one and name. All the wicked sound will have to fall. King Animosity will have to stand tall. And the wrong sound them go call. I know them sound against the wall them fall.
With they around for. And not even once the man them big up Father God. A fuck crew no I keep up Stonewall. Turn me up.
Oh yo, Lord. Yeah.
Not even one time.
Yo.
All of them Father God 200 years.
The Lord is King Animosity, light and salvation will.
Yeah. The Marco Animosity.
Piper say, you sure you want clash Stonewall? You know what me tell him, sir?
Sitting us in a sound with them fear that King Animosity never frighten us. Suck your mama dry. Then we
sting na na ding ding boy. Hey boy, Stonewall.
Ambiance, take it to the world. King Animosity kill a sound at the shootout. No one cares to make me a sound of big cool out. Get your fire.
Animosity. Me not play with people. Make the plate run through boy like vehicle. Give it up. Shut your mouth when Animosity talking. Disrespect your plate.
All the boy there on Animosity thief trophy this and thief trophy that. Me no care about trophy. Me care for play music for entertain. Uno tonight.
You would come on and beg no friend.
Hey. Bang, 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 bang.
Listen!
Wow, jump on. The trophy is not yours. You're dead, you got your skull bore. Play of light, say you run dance all king animosity. Bust your head, put you on the floor. Now we got to take the title. I sat them in them head.
Level! Stonewall, you desperate, no blood clot. You gone garnet silk in your third round against a little sound like Animosity. You're desperate, no fuck. You know why I'm desperate?
King Animosity sound, I tell you.
You don't got no music.
Original
you don't got no music.
Yeah. Oh, skanking, moving, yeah. Hallelujah. Oh yeah, skanking. King Animosity sound, oh, skanking, and we good.
Stonewall!
Animosity sound.
Stonewall!
King Animosity na dancehall style and it up. When boom tune a play, yes we have to lift it up. No bother with the down full style as we clear up full vibe. I don't want have to run away when we're passing through. King Animosity sound like the planet, and when your best friends are gone and it's only you.
Why are you
we
singing?
still play the reggae music, skanking sweet. Everybody wanna be like. We are gonna kill you.
Listen, big sound.
We are gonna kill you. We are gonna shut it down.
Engineer, turn it up a little bit.
We are gonna kill the sound. This is Animosity sound, the real true champion. Animosity no joke around. I just kill, we kill a sound, and we make it look easy. Easy to kill your sound. It's just so.
Yes. You see the wall I wanna.
King Animosity.
Big up fire.
Hey, sound boy tired. King Animosity, I kill them tonight. Yes, we've been. King Animosity sound.
What the ganja sound? Ganja people, lighter.
I plant a little tree in my front yard. Precious little tree in my front yard. Who raise the rice for the street? Some say the seed of found up on the wise man tomb. I take it and I sweat in a loom. Praying to Jah for it to germinate soon. Oh, wow. Nothing in this world like Animosity, no dance.
While ago, Stonewall play about 4 Soul Supreme rhythms and songs like them now no more song in them box. Jakes would have said, song done? Can I play one of Soul Supreme anthem? Just one, please.
They buff them. Buff them. Don't play that, chop them, attack them and knock them. King Animosity sound. Got them.
Big up Jakes.
Hey. Well then, never support when the boy them a promote. So them send well if a butcher no fi try cut me throat. Politics and we no vote, so them say we no fi float. Send submarine fi King Animosity boat. Them write me woman all and note, say them a go hang me like a goat. Me tell them take that to bank, take that to court. We taking over import, export and deport. No mention the warp, much less the airport. Now the whole of them vex through me answer. Tell them and go with.
Oh, you don't know. Sound boy. Warning.
You see like how me I take my time, engineer.
Kill them slowly.
Kill them slowly. Got them no know
Kill them slowly. King Animosity. Kill them slowly.
Kill them slowly. Got them no know
Slowly.
Sound boy, what you a go do? Deck for you, find your testy and
Yo, a sabotage, you know, sabotage me to blood clot. Yo, turn up your mic now, man. Check. Check. Yo, you know, I ramp with Bronx people money, you know, dog. What you say, people, even if I want Twitter, all who say me if you play me song, say play.
Play, cause we are gonna pop you off and clap you. Nobody can tap you. And boss me gonna feel happy. King Animosity. Merciless. Everybody know King Animosity gun them burst the best. Saeed. One of them nigga try for this time and no Georgia. AK a murder one you so today. One of them nigga should be grateful for your Georgia. Must be a boy final day. Yeah.
This see we face them I got tired. As high as the sky as motherfucking niggas, you know, one time Saeed aka Big up Atlanta. Hey yo, Virgin Island motherfucking niggas, you know.
Yeah.
It's swallowed and King Animosity. What up with them blood clad fussy? No mercy. Well, them a go tie and fishy we face. Can't get we out cause we no eat on no race. Them a chat behind me but then I go put them nowhere. Why thinking about talking front of King Animosity a white bright and face to you know to harder.
I'm gonna say watch a Saeed. I'm gonna say AK. Watch you now. I watch on the US Virgin Islands, you know, Atlanta. When you ramp here.
Alright then sit down.
Yo, what fuck
well done.
with? Why do some sound boy rage? You know you're missing and imagine painting. It's a king of fire. Never yet retire.
Yo.
I want to check something. Who is the aggressor amongst my people? Who is the perpetrator? Promoting evil.
Level. Why? Everything when I try kill film sound tonight. Who God bless? No man curse. Turn it up.
Virgin Islands.
I believe in that. Tell them.
I want to them. Judgment in the earth.
Turn up the sound.
Tell them to split. Still I say I live it every time.
Turn up the
Still I say
sound.
I live it every time. Alright, that one and them sound boy. Your kingdom is falling. Judgment, dibby sound boy. Your kingdom is falling. But when me sing again, Lucifer.
Level. Boy, me no business, you know. Me no come here for cry food, you know. Me a win the dance here tonight.
Saeed, AK,
me a win the dance here.
all day.
Always shining. New York with that. New York with that. New York with that. All who come from New York, 200 in a year. All who come from the Caribbean, 200 a year. You know why you have some music? Tell them.
A sound boy once asked when.
Bum, me a work. Me a work.
Everything there. Saeed, AK, okay, all day.
Boy, you think me a ramp with the people them good money tonight? Me a play some good song for you. Me a lock them off. Me a last them.
Suffer me the most son boy ever die. The whole world asking on them ask you a question why. Oh my. Pick it up now. Go for it. I'm not sure anymore. Moro is knocking at my door. Faces that I knew. It's a sign.
Take 9. Big up yourself. Turn it up!
Sky, tell the song is already died. I say me, oh, my. Now why man feel it tonight, man I go cry. When them gonna stop kill up them star. Bob Marley die, Jacob Miller die. Them killer tell the song and them just out for right. Just on Animosity, I fight. Still a culprit will have to die. What? No son a die, well no sound a die. No son a dead, no son no sound a dead. In a London song. Come up sound boy, me a one and then say you kill Saeed. What say I'm a leader, tell them boys and so gonna be before I tell them bleed. Animosity. Hey, great veteran, him a the great veteran. Animosity, him a great veteran.
Bumbucklat. Me a work for this round now. Me a witness. Boy, you ball for tune. Your song. Turn up the sound engineer, please.
Illy we come up sound boy, me I want to say, I hear Kiss Saeed. What say I'm a leader, tell them boys, so can I be before till them bleed. Animosity. Hey, great veteran, him a the great veteran. Animosity, him a great veteran. Great veteran, punch a great veteran. Great veteran, him a the great veteran. So me coming out of this 1971. DJ Papa Roach, the junglist man. DJ show that mix, so the firehouse man. Firehouse, waterhouse, slaughterhouse.
Boy, Animosity is not a joke, bumbleclad son. You think I lie me as hell? Or no?
Yo, King Animosity. You know the dunceness.
Listen to it.
What one? Yeah, first white like Jesus. Clutch a gal have a visa. Designer beats and cologne a clip dog. Yo, Saeed, stop me, we kick it up a notch. Yo, AK! Black fat tip on your belly, your clout tip. You know the
Tempo!
I don't know, Tempo! Animosity represent us, but then find the voice.
Tempo!
King Animosity. 100 million and none for your jar down. When you looking at Saeed, you know he's in charge. Him have your girl in a house, I drink the sorrow.
Hear me.
I'm married jeans and shoes, I Gucci have the chef.
To the US Virgin Islands.
How many know you play no skilly bang from night? Your money run out. Pussy, listen.
Is there Animosity? Have scope and Glock. So we gun sound when it clap. Pop, 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 pop. Is there? Yeah, man, I said I represent for King Animosity. Yo, Saeed. Yo, AK.
Yeah, red.
Yeah, man, from JA. To the US Virgin Islands. Yo, Atlanta. Headshell, gunshot and spring shell.
Tell the pussy them.
Is there Animosity? Have scope and Glock.
What's up?
So we gun sound when it clap. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop.
Bugger chatting. Hey.
Turn up this song. Turn up.
Are the girl the way you say it? Wicked.
You see them boy there?
Hey. From a sound this the link them fi dead. Saeed put a timer on them head. Gun buckler. Yeah.
Listen, son.
Son boy dead.
Listen,
King Animosity put on chat in a pussy hole head. Tell them they ain't the real Mackay. Them are just some pussy son boy.
Then killing that talking. Yak them gun was like peanut cat passes. Early son of man part of preaching. Been a minute one.
Ninja man.
Man and listen to the dance.
Me know you're none from night.
Take this. Oh, we kill a sound in the morning, kill a sound in the evening, kill a sound at a supper time. King Animosity. Kill them when we lonely and we kill them when we baby and we kill them when we feeling fine. But you know them is a dead blood clot and dead pussy clot.
Silencer, motherfucker, because you know the violencer. Yo, I'm out to them crack it. Bullet and slap it and drop it and pop it. On a mercy. Them offend me when them know them shut the try. Needless to give me no excuse when I take all about it. Oh, your skull cry fly. Needless to spend no more. When someone gets healthy boy. Toss me see ya no more. Me big guns.
Yo, run with him.
King Animosity sound.
Level. Madness, you're a man guinea. A jacket you again. Suck your mama. Body up.
Well, hey, Spirulina build up high confidence. Rastafari run the continent. And this Animosity and pay the consequence. Jump on a get slew.
Give me a buckle of Spirulina. And when we mix up me roots with Medina and Stonewall, I go dead and I go blood. Never cry. I go bump the rascal.
You kick it like a ball. Yeah, yeah, say it. Yeah, me I say no. Yeah, sound boy there. Little sound boy, say you're sick. I must say lupus. Say you're cool. I must say mucus. You're not in a AK league. Saeed make a little boy and a little girl just box your dung.
Next.
You're Atlanta.
Next song.
Yeah, kid. Them feel like the Jacob play.
Where we there?
Look at the lady rational. This man from 90s Animosity make you know. Yeah, King Animosity. How do them hear that sound boy? Let them feel like
Time. Boom. Yo! I saw cash for nice. All who say cash are go on, say go on! Say go on! Bumbleclad! November the 2nd. Kaya, big up yourself. Cosmic versus Moonlight. See the light on ya now. Hear what I say? I need one of the Stonewall selector them up here. You up here. So, I not rob nobody. When ready again. All who say Stonewall win that one, put the 2 hand in the ear. Keep them up. Wanna look up there, so wanna see them. Wanna see them. Wanna see them. Wanna see them. Put them down. Put them down. All who say King Animosity win that one, and in the ear. Wanna see them? Keep them up. Keep them up. Keep them up. Keep them up. You see it, right? That is it. All right. Hold on, man. I'm a co-host this. This I'm a co-host. This I'm a co-host. Co-host, you have to make that call, bro.
Yeah, man, the call easy. And it's a 2-time thing, a 1-time thing. Stonewall take the road. Hold on. Hold on, they're cool. Hold on, they're cool. Hey, let me tell you something. It no matter how much you boo or whatever, the vote is 1 time and it's final. The dance is 2-2 and tune for tune and go on. Kev, big up yourself. Hold on, Mr. Cole, I got this. Because the boy can't intimidate me, no time. No time. Tech 9, big up yourself. November night in Brooklyn. Line up yourself for tune for tune. Hold on. It doesn't matter. You win the dance? Well, if you win, that's on you. But tune for tune, half a player. Tune for tune, half a player.
Nah, man, we're good, man. We're good. We're good. We're good. We have it under control. We have it under control. We have it under control. People, me no want no man to feel say yo, me a try to rob them. Me not rob nobody. Me call it fear and square. Me call it fear. If a man want vex, a man does vex. The people them say tune for tune. All who say tune for tune, put an hand in the ear. Put them down. All who say no tune for tune, put an hand in the ear. All right, see there. So, you can't trick me. Me know what that game yeah. Me know the game. So the 2 sound, you line up. You line up. Best of 11. Best of 11. Each song, me go vote. Each song, me go vote. Because you can't trick me. No man can't count me down up at this. Me dep on the battlefield too. No mad what I'm doing. So, we are going to follow the order. Stonewall are going to pray. Animosity are going to pray. Me go vote each song. Best of 11. So if first you reach 7. You see it? I mean 6. My bad. So, you ready, Stonewall? It's 2-2. Nah, man, we're good, man. We're not fight it. Stonewall, we're not caught on the blood clot clash. I might dance this. I have this in a